To set up AWS Amplify AppSync integration, start by installing the AWS Amplify CLI and initializing a new Amplify project. Run the command Amplify init to create a new project and follow the prompts to set up your project. Next, install the AppSync API by running the command Amplify add API. Then select GraphQL and follow the prompts to set up your schema. Define your data models and resolvers. And then run the command Amplify push to deploy your API to the cloud. Once your API is deployed, you need to configure authentication. Run the command Amplify add auth to set up authentication with Amazon Cognito. Follow the prompts to set up your authentication configuration. After setting up authentication, you need to integrate AppSync with your Amplify app. Run the command Amplify add storage to set up storage with Amazon S3. Follow the prompts to set up your storage configuration. To connect to your AppSync API from your Amplify app, you need to install the AWS AppSync SDK. Run the command npm install AWS AppSync or yarn add AWS AppSync to install the SDK. Finally, use the AWS AppSync SDK to connect to your AppSync API from your Amplify app. Import the SDK and create a new instance of the AppSync client, passing in your API endpoint and authentication credentials. By following these steps, you can set up AWS Amplify AppSync integration and start building scalable and secure serverless apps. Remember to follow best practices such as handling errors and implementing caching to optimize performance. With AppSync and Amplify, you can build fast and scalable apps with real-time data synchronization and offline support.